Welcome to our video on how to speed up any computer in 2025. Today, we'll explore simple methods that can enhance your PC's performance. First, let's identify the main reasons why computers slow down. Common culprits include too many startup programs, background processes, and cluttered hard drives. Next, we need to check your computer's performance metrics effectively. This gives you an insight into what's hindering your system. To improve boot speed, optimize your startup programs. Disable unnecessary apps from launching at startup. Managing background processes is crucial. It frees up system resources, allowing your computer to run smoother. Disk cleanup tools can significantly enhance your performance. Regularly clear temporary files and junk data. Don't underestimate the benefits of upgrading hardware. Adding RAM or switching to an SSD can give your PC a new lease on life. Adjusting system settings can boost your computer's efficiency. Fine-tune visual effects and power settings. Lastly, ensure your system is clean by using reliable malware and antivirus programs. Regular scans are essential. In conclusion, remember these methods to speed up any computer. Manage startup programs, optimize background processes, consider hardware upgrades, and keep your system clean.